Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to understand Upstart origination fees and cost in 2025. So Upstart charges origination fees to process and approve loans, and understanding these costs can help you to avoid unexpected surprises. So let's get into it. Now the first thing we're going to look at is, what is an origination fee? So this is a one-time fee that's deducted from your loan before disbursement. Now it typically ranges from 0 to 12% of your loan amount, depending of course on your credit profile. Now, how is it charged? So if you borrow 10,000 with a 5% origination fee, Upstart deducts 500, and you're gonna receive 9,500 in your bank account. However, you can still repay. You're still gonna need to repay the full 10,000 loan plus interest. So that's how it works. The origination fee is taken for granting you the loan, and it doesn't count in the full loan itself. So you're still gonna have to pay the full amount. Factors that affect origination fee are credit score, because a lower credit score may result in higher fees. Also, loan terms, shorter loan terms sometimes have lower origination fees. And also, Upstart's AI model is a key factor, because education and employment factors can influence these fees based on the AI model's thoughts on it. So you can also check your origination fee before accepting. So you want to make sure that the fee is going to be disclosed in your loan agreement before signing. So you want to make sure that you review that carefully, and if that's acceptable, then go ahead and sign it. The fifth and final tip is to plan your loan amount accordingly. So if you need exactly $10,000 after fees, you may need to apply for a slightly higher amount. If you request 10,000, and when origination fee is taken, it's going to be less. So if you want exactly 10,000, then you're going to need to request a slightly above 10,000, and so that extra covers the origination fee and you have the exact amount that you need. That's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you guys liked it. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys in the next one.